Today I'm in the luxury capital of the south of France, Côte d'Azur, Nice. And just look at that beautiful sea. Here along the Promenade des Anglais, the English promenade, what else? Behind me, la Baie des Anges, Angels Bay. Today I'm delighted to be cooking with Denis Rieubland, a young penthouse chef who runs the historic restaurant Chanclair at the Negressco Hotel with 1 Michelin star. We'll be turning up the heat with some seriously bold Negressco creations. First we'll start with langoustine prawns and the veal croquette, garnished with an emerald green pistou made with tangy rocket lettuce instead of basil. Next we're going to tame Rieubland's wild European bass with fresh asparagus, quinoa and delicious pomme soufflé. Last, my favorite, dessert, a hand-blown green apple made with caramelized sugar. This signature Negressco creation looks more like a sculpture than a dessert. So join me, Ashley James, for another exciting adventure of cuisine culture here in the beautiful south of France. I'm Chef Ashley James. When I'm not catering to the demands of stars in LA, I'm touring the world cooking with culinary geniuses. Take your gourmet passport and learn how to cook like a master chef and eat like a celebrity. Bon appétit, hein?
Bon appétit.